Hey everyone, welcome back to Kanti Herbals YouTube channel, the go-to place for all things natural and herbal. And today marks the beginning of an exciting journey into the world of natural beauty with our very own Kanti Herbals Neem Powder. This is the first episode of our Neem Powder series, and I couldn't be more thrilled to share the wonders of this magical ingredient with you. Have you ever wondered about a natural solution for your skin and hair concerns? Well, neem powder might just be the answer. Before we dive into the magic of neem powder, let me give you a quick background on Kanti Herbals. Our brand is dedicated to bringing you the best in herbal skincare. We believe in the power of nature to enhance your beauty, and neem is one of our star ingredients. Now let's talk about neem. Known as the healer of all ailments in Ayurveda, neem is a powerhouse of benefits for your skin and hair. From its antifungal and antibacterial properties to its ability to soothe irritated skin, neem is truly a gift from nature. And here it is, Kanti Herbals Neem Powder. Our neem powder is sourced from the finest neem leaves, ensuring you get the purest form of this incredible herb. It's free from harsh chemicals and additives, making it perfect for your skin and hair care routines. Let's see the benefits of neem. Benefits for skin. Neem has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties that helps to prevent acne-causing bacteria. Neem promotes the healing of wounds and reduces the appearance of scars and pigmentation. Regular application can fade dark spots and blemishes, giving the skin a more even tone. Neem is rich in antioxidants. Neem fights free radicals that contribute to premature aging. It helps to maintain skin elasticity and reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Neem has antifungal and antibacterial properties. It can be used to alleviate conditions like eczema, psoriasis, and dermatitis. Neem helps to regulate sebum production, making it an excellent natural remedy for oily skin. By controlling excess oil, it helps prevent clogged pores and reduces the risk of acne. Neem's anti-allergenic properties make it beneficial for those with sensitive skin. It can help alleviate itching and redness associated with allergies. Regular use of neem can impart a healthy and radiant glow to the skin. It nourishes the skin, leaving it looking fresh and revitalized. Let's see the benefits for hair. Neem has antifungal and antibacterial properties that help combat dandruff. It soothes the scalp and prevents the recurrence of dandruff when used regularly. Neem boosts scalp blood circulation, promoting hair growth by nourishing follicles for stronger and healthier hair. Neem's insect-fighting power makes it a great remedy for head lice. Applying neem oil to the scalp helps get rid of lice and their eggs. Neem tames frizz by smoothing hair cuticles, especially helpful for those with coarse or unruly hair. Using neem regularly makes hair roots stronger, reducing hair fall. Its antioxidants protect hair follicles, lowering the risk of hair loss. Wondering how to incorporate this magic powder into your routine? Stay tuned for the upcoming episodes in this series, where we'll explore DIY face packs and DIY hair pack using Kanti Herbals Neem Powder. Your journey to natural beauty begins now. That's it for today's episode. If you're as excited about natural beauty as I am, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more episodes in our Kanti Herbals Neem Powder series. Until next time, embrace the beauty of nature with Kanti Herbals. Take care. Thanks for watching.